Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 10th question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says car C1 is traveling around a circular pathway and car C2 is traveling along a square pathway. Okay, so this is C1 and C2 is traveling along a square pathway. The radius of the circle is same as half the side of the square. Okay. So the radius R is half the side of the square. That means side of the square is 2R. Alright. The radius of the circle is same as half the side of the square. Correct. Radius is R and the side of the square is 2R. C1 and C2 take the same time to cover the perimeter of the circle and the square respectively. Okay. Find the ratio of the speeds of car C1 and C2. So distance covered by C1. So it is the same time. So let the time be T for both of them to cover the entire circumference. Speed of C1, we have to find the ratio of speed of C1. So S C1 is to S C2. That is what we have to find. So speed of C1 is to speed of C2. So in case of C1, the distance traveled is 2 pi r is the circumference, because it says it takes the same time to cover the perimeter of the circle and the square. So perimeter of circle is nothing but the circumference. So 2 pi r is equal to, distance is equal to speed of C1 into time t. In the second scenario here, the perimeter is 2r into 4, which is 8r, is equal to distance is equal to speed is speed of C2 into time t. Time t is same for both of them. Okay, now I can divide these equations. So that will get rid of t as well as r. So over here, if I divide these equations, it will be 2 pi r divided by 8r, these sides, is equal to speed of C1 into t divided by speed of C2 into t. So this t gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. So what do I get? Speed of C1, and this 2 becomes 4. So speed of C1 upon speed of C2 is pi by 4. So if it is pi by 4, the ratio is pi is to 4, and that is the right answer. Alright, that's how you solve the question.